So this is how to stop apps from opening when turning on PC. So let's get started. So it is suitable for Windows 10 as well as the Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for Task Manager. Task Manager, search for it, and as you can see, here is the Task Manager. So tap on that. And now from here, you need to select the startup apps. All right. And now here are a bunch of application which has status like disabled and some has enabled. So the startup apps which have the enabled option right after the status, it will be start when you turn on your PC. If you don't want to start this application when you turn on your PC, then just simply right click on your mouse, tap on disable. That's how you can simply disable or stop apps from opening when turning on PC. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and hope that you have learned something from the video, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.